Welcome to English Podcast Motivation. I'm very happy you're here today. Today, we're going to talk about something many people feel, but don't always know how to express in English. It's that quiet feeling when you go to work every day, but something doesn't feel right inside.
Oh, I know that feeling. It's like everything looks okay from the outside, but inside you feel confused.
Yes, exactly. And today, we will learn how to talk about that feeling in English. We'll also practice how to express your thoughts clearly, especially when you feel stuck in your job.
I think I really need this. Sometimes I don't even know how to explain my feelings, even in my own language.
That's very normal. So let's start with a simple question. How do you feel about your current job?
It's okay, but also not okay.
That's a very honest answer. Let's try to make it clearer in English. You can say, I feel okay, but something is missing.
I feel okay, but something is missing.
Very good. That sentence is simple, but very powerful. Something is missing means you are not fully happy.
Yes, that's exactly how I feel.
Now let's go a little deeper. Do you feel excited when you think about your work?
Not really. I feel more tired than excited.
That's important. You can say, I don't feel excited about my work anymore.
I don't feel excited about my work anymore. Yeah, that sounds right.
Good. Now let's learn another useful word, fulfilled. Fulfilled means you feel happy and satisfied with what you do.
So if I don't feel happy with my job, I can say I don't feel fulfilled?
Exactly.
I don't feel fulfilled in my job. That feels very true.
Sometimes saying the truth clearly helps you understand yourself better.
Yeah, I think I've been avoiding that feeling.
Let's explore that a little more. Why do you think you feel this way?
Maybe because my work feels the same every day. Nothing changes.
That's a common situation. You can say, my job feels repetitive.
My job feels repetitive.
Repetitive means you do the same things again and again.
Yes, exactly. Every day feels the same.
You can also say, I feel stuck in a routine.
I feel stuck in a routine. That sounds like my life.
Many people feel this way, and it's okay to talk about it. Now let's imagine a real-life situation. You are talking to a friend. Your friend asks, how's your job going? This is a very important question.
Maybe it's okay, but I feel stuck.
That's very natural. You can also say, it's stable but not exciting.
Oh, I like that. It's stable but not exciting.
Stable means safe. Your job is secure, but it doesn't make you happy.
Yes, that's exactly my situation.
Now let's add a little more emotion. Try this. I feel grateful for my job, but I'm not happy.
I feel grateful for my job, but I'm not happy. Wow, that sounds strong.
Yes, because sometimes we feel two things at the same time, gratitude and dissatisfaction.
That's true. I feel lucky to have a job, but I also feel empty.
That's a very honest expression. You can say, I feel empty at work.
I feel empty at work. That's exactly it.
Let's pause for a moment. You are doing very well. Now I want to help you express one more important idea. Sometimes people don't leave their job even if they feel unhappy. Do you know why? Because they are afraid? Yes, you can say, I'm afraid of change. I am afraid of change. Or, I'm scared to try something new.
I'm scared to try something new.
Very good. Now let's combine everything. Try to say a longer sentence about your situation.
Okay, I'll try. I feel grateful for my job, but I don't feel fulfilled. My work is repetitive, and I feel stuck in a routine, and I'm afraid of change.
That was excellent. Very clear, very natural, and very honest.
It feels a little scary, but also good.
That's the power of language. When you can express your feelings, you understand yourself better.
Yeah, I never said it like that before.
Now let's imagine another situation. You are in a job interview. The interviewer asks, why are you looking for a new job? This is a very important question.
Oh, that's difficult. I don't want to sound negative.
Exactly. So we need to choose our words carefully. Instead of saying, I hate my job, you can say, I'm looking for new challenges.
I'm looking for new challenges.
Very good. Challenges means something that helps you grow.
So it sounds more positive.
Yes, you can also say, I want to grow professionally.
I want to grow professionally.
That means you want to improve your skills and career.
I see.
Now try to answer the interview question.
Okay. I'm looking for new challenges because I want to grow professionally.
That's a great answer. Simple, clear, and positive.
It feels more confident.
Exactly. Confidence comes from clarity. Now let's go back to your feelings. Do you think your job matches your passion?
I don't think so.
You can say, my job doesn't match my passion.
My job doesn't match my passion.
Or, I want to do something more meaningful.
I want to do something more meaningful. I really like that sentence.
Meaningful means something important to your heart.
Yes, I want that.
Many people do, and learning how to say it in English is the first step.
It feels like I'm understanding myself more just by speaking.
That's a beautiful realization, and we will continue exploring this feeling step by step because your voice matters and your story matters.
Thank you. I'm starting to feel more confident already.
I'm really glad to hear that. Let's keep going.
I keep thinking about what we said earlier. I don't feel fulfilled. It's such a simple sentence, but it feels very deep.
Yes, it is deep. And now that you can say it, we can explore it more clearly. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt excited about your work?
Maybe a long time ago. When I first started, everything felt new.
That's very common. At the beginning, everything feels fresh, but over time, the feeling can change. You can say, I used to feel excited, but now I feel bored.
I used to feel excited, but now I feel bored. Yeah, that's very accurate.
Good. Now let's learn another useful word, motivated. Motivated means you have energy and desire to do something.
So if I don't want to work, I can say I'm not motivated?
Exactly.
I'm not motivated at work. That sounds honest, maybe too honest.
Honesty is good. We just need to express it in the right way depending on the situation.
Right, like in a job interview, I should be more positive.
Exactly. Now let's talk about something important. Sometimes we stay in a job not because we love it, but because we feel comfortable.
Oh, that's true. It's like I don't like it, but I'm used to it.
Yes, you can say, I'm comfortable, but not happy.
I'm comfortable, but not happy.
That's a very powerful sentence. Comfort can sometimes stop us from growing.
That's a little scary to hear.
It can feel scary, but it's also honest. Now let's explore another feeling. Do you feel afraid to leave your job?
Yes, very afraid.
Why?
Because I don't know what will happen next.
That's very natural. You can say, I'm afraid of the unknown.
I'm afraid of the unknown.
The unknown means things you cannot see or predict.
Yes, that's exactly it. I don't know if I will find a better job.
Good. You can say, I'm not sure if I can find something better.
I'm not sure if I can find something better.
Now let's make it a little stronger. I'm worried I might fail.
I'm worried I might fail. That one feels very real.
Many people feel this way. Fear of failure is very common, but expressing it clearly helps you face it.
Yeah, when I say it out loud, it feels less heavy.
That's a great observation. Now let's do a small speaking practice. Imagine you're talking to a close friend. Your friend asks, why don't you change your job? What would you say?
Okay, I want to change, but I'm afraid of the unknown.
Very good. Try to add one more idea.
I'm not sure if I can find something better.
Excellent. Now combine them.
I want to change, but I'm afraid of the unknown. I'm not sure if I can find something better.
That's very clear and natural. You're expressing your thoughts step by step.
It feels like I'm finally saying what I've been thinking for a long time.
Yes, and that's very important. Now let's explore another situation. Imagine you are at work. Your colleague asks, "Do you enjoy your job?" How would you answer honestly but politely?
Maybe it's okay, but I'm looking for something more meaningful.
That's a beautiful answer, very balanced.
Yeah, it doesn't sound too negative.
Exactly. Now let's go deeper. Sometimes people feel not just bored, but disconnected.
Disconnected?
Yes, it means you don't feel emotionally connected to your work.
Oh, I understand. Like I'm doing the job, but my heart is not there.
Exactly. You can say, "I feel disconnected from my work."
I feel disconnected from my work. That's very true for me.
You are doing very well expressing these ideas. Now let's talk about something positive. Even if you feel stuck, you can still take small steps.
Like what?
For example, learning new skills. You can say, "I want to improve myself,"
I want to improve myself.
or "I'm trying to learn new skills."
I'm trying to learn new skills.
Very good. These sentences show action. So even if I'm not happy, I can still move forward.
Exactly. You don't need to change everything at once. Small steps are enough. That feels less scary.
Yes, much less pressure. Now let's do a role play. I will be your friend. You tell me how you feel about your job.
Okay, I'll try.
Hey, how's your job going?
It's stable, but I don't feel fulfilled.
Oh, why do you feel that way?
My work is repetitive and I feel stuck in a routine.
That sounds difficult. Why don't you change your job?
I want to, but I'm afraid of the unknown. I'm not sure if I can find something better.
That's understandable. Are you doing anything to improve your situation?
Yes, I'm trying to learn new skills and improve myself.
Wow, that was excellent. Very natural conversation.
That actually felt like a real conversation.
That's the goal. Now let's add one more layer. Sometimes we don't just feel stuck, we feel tired emotionally.
Yes, I feel that too.
You can say, "I feel emotionally drained."
I feel emotionally drained.
That means you're very tired, not just physically, but inside.
Yes, that's exactly it.
Now combine that with your situation.
Okay, I feel emotionally drained because my job is repetitive.
Very good.
And maybe I don't feel motivated anymore.
Excellent. You are building strong, clear sentences.
It feels like I can finally explain my feelings in English.
And that's a big step forward. Now let's gently shift your mindset. Instead of only focusing on what you don't like, let's also think about what you want.
Okay.
What kind of work would make you feel happy?
I think something more meaningful, something where I can learn and grow.
That's beautiful. You can say, "I want a job where I can grow and feel fulfilled."
I want a job where I can grow and feel fulfilled.
Very nice.
It feels hopeful when I say that.
Yes, because now you are not just describing the problem, you are also describing your dream.
I like that.
And we will continue building that confidence step by step.
You are doing something very important right now. You're not just learning English. You're learning how to understand yourself and express it clearly.
It really feels that way. I didn't expect this, but I feel more aware of my own feelings now.
That awareness is powerful because once you understand your feelings, you can start making better decisions.
Yeah, before everything felt confusing. Now it feels a little clearer.
That's a big step. Now let's gently move forward. Imagine you decide to take action. Not a big action, just a small step.
Okay.
Maybe you start exploring new opportunities. You can say, "I'm thinking about changing my career."
I'm thinking about changing my career.
Or, "I'm exploring new opportunities."
I'm exploring new opportunities.
Very good. These sentences show that you are open to change, but not rushing.
That feels comfortable, not too scary.
Exactly. Now let's imagine another real-life situation. You are talking to a close friend again. Your friend asks, "What do you want to do next?" What would you say?
I want to find a job that feels more meaningful.
That's a beautiful answer. Try adding one more idea.
I want to grow and learn new skills.
Excellent. Now combine them.
I want to find a job that feels more meaningful. I also want to grow and learn new skills.
That's very clear and confident.
It feels different now. Before, I only talked about what I didn't like. Now I can talk about what I want.
That's a very important shift. Now let's practice something deeper. Sometimes we need to talk to ourselves, quietly, honestly, in English.
Talking to myself in English, that's new.
It's actually very helpful. Let's try it together. Repeat after me, slowly. I deserve to feel fulfilled.
I deserve to feel fulfilled. That feels strong.
Yes. Now try this. I am allowed to change.
I am allowed to change.
And one more. It's okay to feel afraid.
It's okay to feel afraid. I really needed that.
Many people do. Fear is normal, but it doesn't have to stop you.
Yeah, I think I understand that now.
Now let's do one final role play. This time, you're speaking in a job interview. The interviewer asks, "Why do you want to leave your current job?" Take your time.
Okay, I'll try. I'm grateful for my current job, but I don't feel fully fulfilled. I'm looking for new challenges, and I want to grow professionally. I want to find a role that feels more meaningful and allows me to learn new skills.
That was excellent. Very natural, very professional, and very honest.
I didn't think I could say that before.
But you did, and that shows your progress.
It feels like I have a voice now.
You always had a voice. Now you're learning how to use it.
Thank you, really. This feels more than just English practice.
That's the heart of this journey. Language is not just words. It's how you connect with yourself and with others.
I think I understand that now.
Before we finish, let's take one last moment. Think about your situation, not with fear, but with clarity. You don't need to have all the answers today.
That feels relieving.
You can move slowly. You can take small steps, and you can keep learning every day.
Yeah, I don't feel stuck anymore. Maybe just at the beginning.
That's a beautiful way to see it. Not stuck, just starting.
I like that.
Thank you for being here today. And to everyone listening, if you feel confused about your work, if you feel stuck or unsure, you are not alone. Take your time, be honest with yourself, and remember, you deserve to feel fulfilled.
And you can learn to express it step by step.
We're very happy you joined us today. Keep practicing, keep growing, and we'll be here with you on your English journey.